Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get more points on Duolingo on your device. Now if you want to get more points on Duolingo and stay on top of the leaderboards, then you need to simply follow the steps on in the video to do so. So to do so, you need to simply connect to Wi-Fi on the device or the device which you are using to use Duolingo and learn the language from it. So to do so, you need to simply open Duolingo app on your device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So this is the home page of Duolingo, where you'll see various options on the bottom and top of the page. Now get more points or get more experience on Duolingo, you need to simply learn the lessons to get 20 plus experience points from it. So I'm new to Duolingo and this is from the basic sentence, but you may find various options as you scroll down from here. So you can also click on the options of unit like this, or you may also simply repeat it from the first, so you can get more points or rewards from it. If you want to get more rewards, then you need to click on the chest like icon, and you'll see that following your first friend will also give you a chest and you'll get experience from it. And you need to complete the daily quest given on your Duolingo app. So the quest for today is complete the next 2 lessons and I'll get a reward box for it. And you'll also see the upcoming quest which will be shown on the option of upcoming. So by completing the quest, learning the lessons and staying active on Duolingo also helps you to give more points on Duolingo. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.